So in this video I'm trying to lift up extremely heavy Eaton 13 speed Road Ranger transmission. As you can see, it's this is as primitive as it gets. Well, you get more primitive than this, just sticks and stones. And I've actually got some. I'm using 2 jacks, so my plan is to lift that enough so that I can get this pump cart underneath it and get this moved out of the way, and at least it's on something with wheels. It's a lot easier if you've got a lot of money to throw at these things. Have a hoist and equipment and a shop. We'll get there. So the hardest part is it's kind of an unbalanced object, and I can't lift it from the front at all. I mean, at one point I did have that log there and the bottle jack at an angle here, getting into this part here and pushing it that way, but then it pushes that way. So what I did now is I'm using this low profile jack to lift it. Actually, sorry. So I started from the end because it was at an angle. The only thing that I couldn't get it from that angle. I don't really want to try. I wouldn't really try to lift it through the input shaft. Number one, because it spins, and 2, it could damage something. I don't know, maybe, but I'd rather not risk it. So the only thing I had access to was this, and I couldn't even get it in with the jack, so I used the pump cart. I put the pump cart, this edge here of the pump cart, right here across the, underneath and across the yoke. Got that lifted up as high as I could, so the whole transmission was at an angle. Put blocks. I went slowly, of course. I had to put blocks and spacers till I got to put this full log underneath it. And that lifted it enough so that I could get the jack under there. And that's where